Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Maureen and I am so happy to have you here. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe before you leave. And let's get right into today's video. And today's video is the beauty box for the month of December from Target. And the card that's enclosed in the box is Hello Glow. And on the back of the card, they let you know what's in the box, and they always give you a coupon off of beauty purchases of $15 or more, which is always nice to have. So this is the beauty box. And this is a $7 box, and this is not an actual subscription. The first Monday of every month, you go onto the Target website, and then you can order them. Lately, they've been having several boxes, which is nice. And then during the holiday, they had, probably like 10 or 15 boxes you could choose from, all different price levels. And I usually do get this box, maybe 1 or 2 boxes each month. And the first product that is in the box is from Bella Professional. And this is a plumping gold peel-off mask. And this has antioxidant properties, helps reduce fine lines and draws out impurities, and makes skin appear plumpier, firmer, and smoother. So it's always nice to have a face mask. The next item in the box is from Bliss, and they are a very good company. I have quite a few products and have used them and enjoy every one of them. And this is Lemon and Sage Body Butter. And, your typical, it's just hydrating hand cream. And it gives, on the back of the card, it gives little tricks, which I think we pretty much all know, that if you apply to your hands and your feet, prior to bedtime, then cover them with, like socks or put gloves on, it just locks in the hydration overnight. So that's, a good item to always have, especially in the area that I live in. It's winter time, so your lips get dry, your hands and your feet are dry, just everything is dry. And the next product is from a company called Me, which I have never heard of. I've never even seen them in Target. And this is a coconut and lime bath bomb. So this is nice. I'm not a huge bath person, but I have a few bath bombs that I have received and have tried one. And it's just a nice little, quiet time. And it does make your skin, very soft and smooth. And it's, it's just a treat yourself, moment, or as many moments as you can get away and enjoy. So that's nice to receive. The next product in the box is a company which I think most of us had heard and or used. And this is the Pond's Cold Cream. Perfect blend of oil and water, removes all traces of makeup and improves skin's moisture, texture, and smoothness all in one step. And it actually says, as a bonus, use as a mask. Lather it onto your face, let it sit, and then rinse it off, which I would never think to do with a cold cream, but why not? Let's see if we can get that to focus. Okay. So then we have the Pond's cream. The next item is from Dr. Teal's, and this is Pink Himalayan Body Scrub. And this is mineral-rich pink Himalayan salt and pure Epsom salt, exfoliant and smooth, while shea butter and jojoba oil leaves skin supple. So that's nice. That's, probably a single use if you're going to use it for a body scrub. But that's always nice to receive. And then I'm assuming this is probably like a little bonus item. Lately they've been giving us both. But this is Dove. And this is Intensive Repair Shampoo. And this is for damaged hair. I think, if you if you blow dry your hair, if you use heat tools, anybody could use this. And this has keratin in it. It restores damaged hair, helps protect the strands over time. So, this is, still a sample size, but you could get a few washings out of this. If you have short hair, you can get probably a week's worth of shampooing. Longer hair, maybe you could get a couple washes out of this, but that's always nice to receive. So we received the Dove shampoo. We received the, from the company Me, a bath bomb. From Cubella, we received a face mask. From Pond's, we received the cold cream. And from Bliss, we received the body butter. And then from Dr. Teal's, we received the body scrub. So that is the December 2018 Target Beauty Box. Like I said, it was a $7 box. And I did order this box in the beginning of December. It got lost in the mail. Had to go through their customer service, which they were wonderful. They just quickly shipped me out another one. It was like maybe the week before the holidays, which I kind of figured would delay it a little bit. And I just received it today, so I figured I would do the video. And by the time you see this video, it'll probably be January already, because I already have all my videos scheduled out. And hopefully not too far behind this one, you'll see the January box. But don't forget, I will have my 500 subscriber giveaway active by the time you see this. Don't forget to watch that video and enter that, so that you have the chance to win that 500 subscriber giveaway. And that's my video for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.